Catch the wood grain triangles over the garage and bay window. Private courtyard with attached garage, and come on in. Professional remodel of fireplace, completely tiled out. Engineered hardwood flooring throughout. Oversized island with natural stone. LED lighting, 4-inch, freshly designed. Got fresh sod and grass throughout. Oversized, expanded master bathroom, floating vanity, fluted tiled enclosure. This home has 3 spacious bedrooms. Hall bathroom with a floating vanity. This is a cement board, party backer, waterproof, accent wall behind the backlit LED mirror, tiled enclosure. And then come on outside. Check out this beautiful West San Jose location and neighborhood. And we'll catch you on the next one.